Okay, the stream has started. I hope you guys can hear me. Check my audio, let me know. Hmm. बरोबर आहे का बघे ग्रॅमॅटिकली. Hello, hello, hello. Analytics. Let me check the analytics of the stream. Okay. Okay. इंस्टा स्टोरी टाकू का नको? स्टोरी टाकायला जरा जास्त वेळ झाला. काल 11ला चालू केलेलं. आज 11:30 वाजलेत. आज जरा लवकर सपूया. 12:30 तासभर. हे कुठे आहे? Where is my another phone? Samsung. Okay, so today we are going to do unboxing of some of my components. Hello, electromake creations 44. Hello, thanks for showing up on my stream. Paper कसा गेला? Paper was chill, like it was online test, so सोपा होता. Dishant, hello, how are you, Dishant? So today we are going to unbox some of our components from our final year project. Okay, just give me a second and we will get to the unboxing part. So I'll reveal little bit about my final year project. So we are going to build a vehicle. Now I can't reveal the reason or the problem statement behind the project, like why are we building the vehicle, or what is going to be the main feature or the main problem we are going to solve through our final year project. So just know that we are going to build a vehicle. That's why in my previous stream I showed you the wheel, and tonight we have something else. We ordered from XYZ website. I can't promote them for free because we were trying to get some sponsors for our final year project, and I had a solid reason to ask sponsorship because I have a very good audience on Instagram and little bit on YouTube, as you guys know. So I was trying to get some sponsors for my final year project. Like I was asking them, if you guys can sponsor us, I will feature your website or store on my Instagram or YouTube. Hello brother, I have followed you on Insta. Very good work. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Keep motivating, bro. Dishant. So yeah, we are going to build small. We are going to build not really small. We are going to build a vehicle. Now I can't really reveal what vehicle, but just know that we are going to build a vehicle. Complete this captcha, please. Okay. Also, I have edited a reel tonight. That's why we are late. We are streaming this late. Check this out. This was that yesterday's project. You guys know what is this? I hope you guys know about it. Do you guys know about this? Chat? Anyone in the chat? You know about it? This is a mm, this is a real life sword I made to play Fruit Ninja game, and I can control my cursor with it. So basically this is a air mouse. It looks like lightsaber, but it's not really lightsaber. Now I'm controlling my cursor. I'm controlling my cursor without using mouse. I'm only using this. Wait, I might end the stream if I move this too much. Just give me a second. I will minimize the stream. Array. Okay, I just minimized my live stream, and whenever I press click, if I press click, it changes the light. Like I have pressed the click button, it has ESP32 here. It connects to my laptop through Bluetooth. Then here is the button, and this is uh RGB LED ring WS812. I don't know the exact name of this RGB, you can search about it. And yeah, this is MPU 6050. And to power this RGB I have used this buck converter. So yeah, I showed this yesterday too, but today this is way more improved version. And yeah, the lighting also makes it more attractive, I guess. So yeah, I was going to post this video tonight, but I thought instead of posting tonight late night, I'll just post it tomorrow at 5 to 6 a.m. 6 p.m. So I might post it after college at 6 p.m. So stay tuned. It's going to be a reel, and I will make a full video. I will make full video, and also I have that game. Do you know? Do you guys know about that game? Let me know if you heard about my game. Okay, now let's get back to our main agenda of today's stream, which is unboxing. So here I have लॉगिन करा या लाइव स्ट्रीम चालू कर. Can anyone guess what's this? Can you guess what is in the box? दिसू द्या आता काय ऑप्शन नाही तेवढं दिसणार. Can you guess what is in the box? Any guess? Not really bars. Something else. Something related to a vehicle. Let's see if you can. Uh, Motor and driver. Yeah, you are right. Motors. This is motor only. There are two motors in this, and I'm using these motors for the first time, so I'm not sure how to use them. I never use them. हा चिंटू आज ट्राय पण करून बघू शकतोय. We can try using these motors, but I'm not sure about the power supply because I don't really have any solid power supply for these motors. एक काम कर, ट्रायपॉड घेतो. No tripod. Wait, I'll set up a tripod so you guys can see what's inside the box. No, no, tripod राहू दे. Just give me a second. Okay, and I will turn on another camera. Yeah, this is the webcam. Okay, let's unbox it. Or before that, anyone has idea about my project? Like, can a 24 volt chi? Yes, 24-volt motor. Yeah, you are guessing everything right. Wait, I'm still working on my cameras. That's okay. Let's unbox it. Cutter काय झालं रे? सुयश, कट्टर काय झाली इथली? एक पण कट्टर नाही आहेत. कट्टर okay, I'm going to wear these glasses for no reason, for no absolute reason. Okay. Is this the correct side to open it up? Yeah, this is the correct side. तरी पण फुकट प्रमोशन कराले बा. इच्छा नाही आहे माझी. साइड का एक एक लोक करतात. Okay, here we have our 5,000 rupees. We spent almost 5,000, not exact 5,000, but yeah, almost 5,000. Read the note loudly if it's there any. And we have
Just a bit.
this huge bubble wrap. This bubble wrap. Check this out. What else we have here? Okay, the packaging is very cool. Like large amount of bubble wrap. Then here we have our first motor, and here have another motor. These are two motors. Okay, Chintamani, can you please take the box out here? It's a whole kit, I guess. Not really kit. It's just two motors, and if we buy kit, there will be no sense to our final year project. Since it's final year project, we are trying to do something different. It's not really different. We are not inventing anything, but we are doing stuff on our own. We are not buying anything. We are not outsourcing anything. Like, we are not outsourcing our project. हे खोल. मी जरा शिस्तात खोलूया म्हणालोय. in case if something goes wrong, then we have it everything on stream. And yeah, we can complain, we can ask for refund if something goes wrong. Okay, these are some, wait, I can't introduce directly. We'll first open everything. Okay, this is really heavy, not really heavy, but at least more than 2.5 kgs, around 3 kgs. Okay, this is a, yeah, as you guys can see, this is a 24-volt geared motor. And okay, I'm trying to spin this and I can say that it has a very good torque. Yeah, it has a very long wires and its RPM is 3300 RPM in total. The total RPM, like RPM of the motor is 3300. Then we have this gears. These gears decrease the RPM and increase torque. I don't know what they call it. The reducing gears. These gears reduce the RPM and increase torque. How about we try running these motors with our batteries? Okay, we will try to run these motors with our batteries. I have 4 lithium ion batteries like this 18, like 3.7 volt cells. So why not we just try supplying. Okay, let's try with 3 volt first. Okay, it's running already. The motor is doing pretty well and there is no heating on the battery terminals. Battery terminals aren't heating. And yeah, the torque is crazy. We are going to provide 24 volt. It will drain quickly. Yeah, it will drain quickly because the one motor draws around, like it requires 250 watt. And if we talk about the calculation, we are going to use two of these motors. Since one motor is 250 watt, we have two of these, so our project requires total 500 watt power. And for that, 500 watt, 24 volts, so we are going to use two 24 volt batteries in series, sorry, two 12 volt batteries in series with current per hour, sorry, ampere per hour around 18, 18 to 16 to 18. Yeah, so the calculation is 12 plus 12, 24 volt, and in multiplied by 18 or 16, it will be around 400 watts. Still we require more 100 watts, but yeah, we are good with 400 watts. If we get some cheap batteries, then we will good, then we will spend some more money and we'll get these batteries. But currently we checked price of uh, e-bike batteries and they cost a lot. Like the cheapest ones are for 6,000 rupees. Let's see, let's try searching. I'll share screen, just give me a second. uh okay, I'm sharing screen. And since we are using two of these batteries, so we need 24 volt, 18 battery. We need one of these batteries because Let me show you. Calculator. 24 into 18. Yeah. If we use 24 volt 18 lipo battery, then it will give us 432 watt. We still need around 70 watts more. So let's search like this, e-bike. So as you guys can see, we have to spend with 16A. Yeah, 384 with 16A. So we are going to make it in a way that our vehicle will be okay with 384 watt. And also the 384 in the best case scenario, like our battery will be at full, like battery will be fully charged and everything is going properly, no drainage of current or no heating or anything. In that case our motors will perform at 384 watt. So if something goes wrong, then it will not be 384 watts, it will be less than that. So we are planning to use UPS batteries, 12V UPS battery. Why use two motors? Why, Chintamani? Why are we using two motors? Come here in the camera. Talk to them. Okay, wait. We removed that. Huh.
So we need two motors for controlling the direction of the car, like how we see in the JCB that one side rotates in the clockwise direction and one side rotates in anti-clockwise to move its face. So like that, our vehicle will do that. So we need two motors, one for each side. That is one for left and one for right.
Okay, so what we are going to do is we will use two of these motors, for one for each side, and one motor will control two of our vehicle's wheels. And then we are not going to use steering. So basically, like a small Arduino robot, we are going to build a big one, and it will give us more power, more torque. Yeah, if you use one motor at full 250 watt power, it will still give you less performance than using two of them at half of the power. You know what I'm getting, you know what I'm trying to convey. Like, instead of using one at full, why not use two at little bit less power? It will give us better performance because the torque will be divided into two motors, and also it will be easy for control, and it's going to be a vehicle, not really a car. So a vehicle and car has difference. So yeah, so the torque is very good, and let's read something. Voltage is 24 volt, rated current is 14.
14 amps.
Okay, the rated current is 14 amps. So if we calculate that, we have calculator here. I'll share screen again. And we are completely new to these things.
It's nearly 336.
336 watt.
Yes.
336 watt.
Yes.
I don't think so.
But it is rated maximum. We can't do
Okay, so
full time at maximum.
yeah, you are right. Wait, let's just check. I'll open calculator. Hello, Sagar. Sagar, check out motors. Sagar is also our group member. Sagar is working on research paper and all. So suppose for one motor we provide 24 volt continuously and then 14 ampere rated current. Then we are giving 336. Okay, if 14 is rated current, then IRL we will give it 10. So it will be around 240 watt for each motor. and for two motors voltage will be same, so we will have to give at least, so yeah, we need at least 18 ampere. Okay, how to clear this? Okay, so we are going to provide 24 volts with uh 18, let's say 18. We are going to provide 432. So I am assuming at least we will provide 400 watt. Otherwise it will not going to work as we are expecting. So let's see, 12 volt UPS battery, solar sealed battery, 12 volt UPS battery, 12 volt and 12H. We might need these batteries. So instead we can use lithium ion batteries. Can you guys suggest me a better cheapest battery for these motors? We need total power of 250 of sorry, at least 400 watt. If we buy two of these batteries, 12 volt and 12H, so it will be around 144 watt if we use one of these batteries. If we use two of them, then it will be around 24 into 12, 24, it will be around 280 something. Yeah, if we use two of these batteries, it will be around 280 watt. So we need more. Actually, we are planning to use second hand batteries. Lithium ion cheapest one, I guess. Not really cheapest one for EV. Yeah, it's still cheapest one, but still not that cheap for people like us. So we need at least 12 volt second, and let's search second hand batteries. Second hand or refurbished. We can get four of them. Like we have a budget of at least around, not at least, around 4,000 rupees. So if we get four of these batteries like 12 volt and 12H, I'll buy four of them. It will be more beneficial. Okay, we are not going to buy anything from OLX, but still we are checking price. So here we are getting 12 volt and 7.77 ampere for 600. Okay, so good condition for sale. If we use this, we have to make it at least 400. So we have 12 volt into 7, 84 watt only. We can't use this, but still if we use two of them in series, then we have 160 watt. No, we can't use. So if we use two of them in series, 24, uh okay, if we use two of them in series and two of them in parallel, then we will have 24 volts and current of current of 24 volts and current of 7, wait, 24 volts into 7, 168. And similarly again we have to use 168, so it will be around 160, 168. Is it correct? 336. Yeah. So if we use four of these batteries, two in parallel and two in series, and we will have to use BMS obviously, then it will be around 336 watt. So it's going to hard for us to manage batteries. So is there any other option? 384. Try buying second hand UPS, then remove batteries from it. Yeah, we are thinking of same, but then instead of removing lithium ion cells, we can get new lithium ion cells. How about building a custom lithium ion cells? Let's calculate this with ChatGPT. So here we have ChatGPT, our best friend. Okay, so I'll explain ChatGPT this scenario that I have two motors with 24 volt input voltage and one lithium ion about 100 rupees. Yeah, if you go in like wholesale market, you can get it for 50 to 60 rupees. Input voltage, then rated current 14 ampere and output 250 watt. How about just we mention the motors? Motors are MY1016Z2 motors. We are using two of them. Calculate power. पाणी कुठे आहे? बॉटल घेतली पाणी किती किती घ्या समोर. For two motors, per motor we need 336, and for two motors we need 672. Electrical recommended electrical for two motors, especially because DC motors can draw much higher current during startup stall. We'll use capacitors. Okay, how about we change the rated current? So basically we need at least 500 watt. Yeah, so suppose we need 500 watt with 12 volt. Mm, 12 volt battery, 24 two motors. Okay. Okay, and we need run time of at least 58 minutes. Yeah, we are also planning to get run time of at least 1 hour. To get runtime of 1 hour, we'll have to change something. Let's say the battery is 7H. If you are using 12 volt 7H batteries and your two motors need 500 watt total, here is a calculation. Okay, 160 watt energy, 81 minutes. 2 cell 4P. Okay, if you want longer runtime. 21 ampere. Okay. 2.
Yes.
We need to do something. If each cell is, yeah, this is the ideal cell, lithium ion cell. Then we need 14 cells. Okay, let's start. Absolutely, for two motors. Okay, first your target is 24-volt nominal system, 500-watt mechanical output. So at 24-volt, 500 requires at least 20 ampere. Thus controllers losses are designed 25 to 30 ampere current. Okay, startup stall current much higher. Okay, got it. If you use 3.7 volt nominal 10650 cells, 7 is configuration. So we need 7 of these in series. So it will be around 25.9 volts if you use 7 cells in series. Then we need 14 cells total. If each cell is okay, we are going to use, yeah, 2500 mAh each cell. This is idle. Then it will be around, if you use 14 cells, 7 in series and 2 of these 7 packs in parallel, then it will be around 130 watt hour. Then we need 28 cells for 259, and then we need 42 cells total to get 389. But there is a huge catch. Don't choose the cells based on the age. For example, if you use 10 ampere current continuous, use, okay, so we need BMS also. How much will it cost to build this thing in India? Let's ask how much to build one. Let's see, for your VGBP target, okay, 28 good cells. I'm assuming 40 cells. 3000 to 5000. Okay, okay. Approximate total 4300 to 7650. So around 40% of our budget goes to battery. Right now we have spent 4800 on these motors, 5500, 700 rupees on steel, then to around 250 on wheels, and we'll spend around more 1000 to 1500 on chassis, like bearing and all other stuff like axle and everything. Then we have to spend on electronics like motor driver, the all other sensors and stuff, the IoT stuff. So yeah, we'll spend around 5000 there. So we are spending around 12 13,000. We spent already 13,000. Then again we'll have to spend around 7,000 on the battery. Let's try searching about 24-volt e-bike battery. Then okay, 24-volt 12H electric cycle, 24-volt 12H. Try this. 288. We are not meeting our requirements. This one might reach our requirements for 6000. 24-volt. Let's see. 24-volt into 20. Sorry. 24-volt into 20. The fuck? 480. So this meets our requirements
It costs 6,000.
for 6000 rupees. Let's try searching more. This gives 240 watt. Then we have, let's try searching water pump batteries. Farming pump, agriculture pump. Okay, agriculture pump. Okay, agriculture pump. We can use batteries from this pump.
So what I have seen that agricultural pump batteries and the UPS batteries both are same.
Same, but still UPS means like it sounds bit professional.
Yes.
The fuck? This is my own live
But
stream.
in agricultural pump, I think they have less current.
Here they have given 8 ampere and the pump cost for 3000. So suppose we get one of these batteries for like 700 800 rupees. We can use four of them, two in series and two in parallel, and we can get 24 volt and 16 ampere, which meets our requirement. Damn. 12 volt. And how about using this in series? No, we can't use these batteries in series. I think we have seen this battery already. Yo guys, do you guys know anyone in like any custom battery manufacturer? Okay, this one costs 600 rupees for 12 volt and 8 ampere. So if you use two of these in parallel, it will be around 24 volt into in series 6 144 watt. So we are spending around 1200 to 1300.
It's 8 ampere, not 6.
Yeah, 8 ampere. So 24 volt into 8 ampere. The max power will be 192 watt. So if we use two of them, then it will be around 384, and we are spending around 6 into 4, around 2500 rupees, and including charger it will be around 3000. So it meets our requirements. We need to search for batteries first. Okay, so tomorrow's task is there anything tomorrow like academic stuff
One
apart
ISC,
from this test, unit test?
nothing.
Okay, so there is nothing after which lecture?
I think 1
Lunch
o'clock.
break. Yeah.
Lunch break.
So we are pre after lunch break. So tomorrow we will go in search of these batteries. I hope we will get one for 600. Might get at less than 600. If no, then we will just contact these guys. I don't know who is Ravi Agro Sprayer from Gujarat, Rajkot. हे मोटर पण गुजरात मध्ये झालं. So we can contact these people. Ravi Agro Sprayer करू call आता. And then we can get these batteries. Then we can use six, four of these batteries. We will use four of these. We can also use six of these batteries, and it will cost around 4000. 4000. This is for 1000. 12 volt and 14 amp. So if we spend 2000 rupees, then it will be around 24 into 12,
That gives us
288. And this one was giving us around 3
384.
384. 384 is very close. 10 piece per box. The fuck. This is 850. This is in liters. 16 liters.
Capacity.
12 volt, 12 Ah. Let's try searching more. We need to roam around offline sellers in offline market. Spray battery 6 months guarantee 810. So yes, we can get these batteries around 6 500 to 800. We can get such batteries in 500 to 800 price range. So suppose we spent 750, or say we spent 700 on each battery, and we use 4 of this, and then we will use charger, maybe BMS or some voltage regulator, then it will be around 8 to 900, another 800 rupees. So 3600 for these batteries, not a bad deal. 3600 for batteries. Then we are spending around 4800 on motors, around 2000, suppose 2500 on the chassis, wheels and everything. So we are spending around 11,000. Not a big deal. And then if we finish all these things, if we uh, spend 11,000 on all of this, then still we have a lot more. Like, our funds are total more than 20,000. Could I scientific?
सायंटिफिक कॅल्क्युलेटर उघडले बघ. ते 3 लाईन मध्ये जा. हा.
Okay. So if we spend 11,000 plus electronics cost around like 3 microcontrollers, LoRa modules, and everything. It will be around another 6,000 rupees. So it will be around 17 to 18,000. होते.
But we need to add
भगवा
some
चौक मध्ये एक आहे दुकान. Sure. Local electronic shop मध्ये भेटेन. Yes. So our tomorrow's task is to find these batteries for under 700 rupees. If we get each for 600, then we are good to go. First we will buy 2 of these. If we get 2 of these batteries and we will use them in series, then we will have 24 into 12, suppose 10 ampere current, 240 watt. 240 watt is also good for this. We will get low run time, like run time of 30 minutes, but still we can test these motors, and once we test we will buy another 2 batteries slowly.
Okay.
So yeah, these were the motors. And what the fuck is there? And how about we drain these lithium ion cells? I got this one for 100 rupees. त्याच्यामध्ये एक रेजिस्टर घालतो. सेल होल्डर घे तिथे कुठे का सेल नाही तिथे नाही. या खाली सोड.
मला लाव डायरेक्ट व्हायला.
हा,
मला लाव डायरेक्ट व्हायला.
राहू दे सोड. Okay, so the motors are spinning fast. We still have some funds left, and these are our motors. And within next 2 to 3 weeks, we'll finish our vehicle. We are trying to finish our vehicle within next 2 to 3 weeks. Let's try searching more about the pump battery. Agricultural pump battery. 12 volt 8. Actually, we were planning to use motorcycle batteries, but motorcycle batteries have current of like 3 to 5 ampere maximum. Also, if you don't know, check this out. This is my instructable page where I post complete tutorials about my projects, and this one is one of my most popular instructable. It has 12,931 views and likes and comments. Here I have shared complete tutorial of like how to build this RC transmitter and receiver. You guys can check this out. Then apart from that, I also shared a new one. This is about the desktop bot I was showing you yesterday. Unfortunately, this is not it's not getting that much traction, This is RC controller with ESP now, low latency wireless controller. It has 5400 views. Okay, it's doing pretty well. I wasn't aware of that. So this is instructable, and if you guys are into engineering like building stuff, you guys must check this out because this is like home for creativity. Here you can search about circuits, people share their projects and all. Then some people share workshops, some people share woodworking, designing, crafting, cooking, everything. And this is by Adobe. This is not just another website, this is by Adobe. So yeah, if you are into creative stuff like this, you should check this out. From cooking, living to circuits and all, there are a lot of different things you can learn here. So I think this is enough for today's. How many how many channel, channel, what do you mean by how many channel, how many channels on instructable? There are 19,000 projects. Okay, on instructable there are total 134k projects. If you need any kind of project, it can be electronics, programming, anything, just search about it on instructable and that's it. थांब एंड करतो एक 5 मिनिटात लाव. Okay, so that is it for today. Actually, I was editing a video. I'll show you in a second. I edited a video and that's why we are uh streaming very late and without any planning. Wait, I'll show you the video. This is a sneak peek of that video. It took me 3-4 hours to improve this, like do some modifications in this sword, then add this RGB and all, then program it, calibrate. Then we shot some video clips around 8 GB, and after shooting 8 GB, I used some clips and made 25 seconds video. I think I need to sleep. I'm continuously working for last 7 hours. After 5 p.m., 5:30, I'm continuously. How many channel transmitter? It's a 7 channel transmitter. That one was 7 channel transmitter. Wait, I'll show you. There are complete tutorials available on my channel. Wait. Check this out. This is a 7 channel RC transmitter. I have this in my cupboard right now, and I'll show you how it is a 7 channel transmitter. This is a complete tutorial. Like there are two joysticks. So there are two joysticks. Each joystick has 2 channels and one push button. So total three channels. Then another joystick, another three, and then I have used a potentiometer. So it becomes 7 channel transmitter, as you guys can see. Uh, Joystick number 1, 2. So it has channel number 1, channel number 2, channel number 3, channel number 1, channel number 2, channel number 3. So these are 6 and this one is 7th. And then I have this ESP now based RC controller. It has 10 channel, I guess. You guys should check my previous videos because I was a tutorial guy. Right now I'm not a tutorial guy. I'm just a fun engineering stud. So this one also has 10. This one is 10 channel transmitter because it has 1 2 range. Okay, I'll get to range. What are you doing today? We were unboxing some motors for my final year project, some 24-volt e-bike motors. Okay, so this one is 10 channel transmitter. Channel number 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can send 10 different signals, and 4 of them are analog and remaining 6 are digital. And this is also a complete tutorial. You can check it out where I have shared everything like how to build the pinout, everything. And yeah, here I have faced some problems like you can't use ADC2 of ESP32 while using ESP now. Like you can't use Wi-Fi or ESP now protocol while using some of the ADC2 pins. Wait, I'll explain. I have explained it properly in this video with proper research. Right now, I'm just trying to revise that. So, there are ADC1 pins and ADC2 pins, and you can use ADC1 pins when Wi Fi is on, and when Wi Fi is on, you can't use ADC2 pins, means you can't use these pins as an analog input when Wi-Fi is on. So if Wi-Fi is on or ESP now is running, you can't use these pins as analog input, but you can use them as a digital input. So I wasn't aware of that, and I was trying to make a transmitter with 3 joysticks, two to control robotic arm and one to control the locomotion. So yeah, I was trying to make a remote with 3 joysticks, but then I faced this issue. Then I learned about it. It took me one day to figure out how to build this again. And here we have the circuit diagram. Watch my tutorial, guys. And I have shared code and everything. And this one has range of only 20 to 30 feet, 30 to 40 feet, like typical Wi-Fi range. And the this one has, I have tested 100 to 200 meters in open space. NRF goes easily to 100 meters, 100 to 200 meters if there is no 2.4 GH frequencies around it like Wi-Fi or anything like that. Also check this out. This is a smallest obstacle avoiding robot I have ever built. This is not world smallest, but smallest I have ever built using Arduino Nano ultrasonic sensor to servo motors. This was 5 years ago in 28th May 2021, and I was so creative back then. I had this intro thing. Yeah, check my intro. This was cool back in 2020, and this is how I used to make videos. First taste. So I think this is enough for today. We'll get back to streaming. I'll post the video tomorrow, and we'll do something else tomorrow. I'm live tonight because I'm trying to keep this streak of coming live at least 20 times in a month, because I have to do my thing in next 6 months, or otherwise I'll get cooked. So yeah, this was just a streak maintaining stream and unboxing my motors. So that is it for today. Hope you found something useful. Not really, but yeah, thanks for sticking around.